Hello guys, I am back with a new video. Before I start my video, I would humbly like to thank to all my subscribers, and those who have not yet subscribed, do subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I will be explaining 5 traits that show how a wrong signature can create a hurdle in growth and success. First trait that tells us about stumbling block in growth in one's life is the small size of the signature. If the size of the signature is too small, then that person doesn't dare to dream big, resulting in small goals and unused potential to grow and succeed in life. Plus, if a person the size of a signature is smaller than his handwriting, then that person may be underconfident, leading to one more reason of barrier of success and growth in life. Next, let's see unclear signatures with graphology. If a person's complete signature is unclear in a way that other people cannot make out which alphabets are written in signature, then that person is confused. That person doesn't have clear goals or plans about future, resulting into one more reason that creates bias in one's growth and success. Growth with baselines in signatures. If the signatures has straight-edge baselines, then writer is contented with own life. There is no fire left to grow or move ahead in life. Baselines should always go upwards from left to right. Reverse underscore in signatures. Underscore is a good trait to keep if it's done in the right way, that is left to right. But if your underscore is going from right to left in signatures, that means you are moving backwards in life rather than forward. If you don't have underscores, no problem, but if you have one, then do check if you are making it right to left or left to right. 5. Last and final trait to recognize is having full stop after signatures. Full stop means end, so if you have full stop after your signature, that means end of your growth. So would recommend not to have full stop after signatures. To achieve success in life and to have good growth, avoid having any of above traits in signatures. Do comment in comments section, videos on what topic would you like me to make. Do like and share my videos to help me create awareness about graphology. To get done detailed analysis, contact avaniparekh1985@gmail.com.